Alright, so what we're doing is the Ford Transit Connect 2021. And what we've done, retrofitted a brand new Sony XAV-AX8050D radio. So it's a single DIN unit, but it gives you the full 9-inch screen, because the original radio was a single DIN. So you get full screen here, also with full steering wheel controls as well. Got Weblink and Carplay built in. So you got access with Weblink for YouTube.
Run in the trenches, then sit on no benches. Running from Jake, trying to dodge the arrest. Mine on my block, I'm on top, I was left. I had to switch up the show to...
And also you got full CarPlay as well. If you want this retrofitted on your Ford, you've got an outdated radio like that, you want on a new model, we can change it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Want to inquire about this upgrade, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.